Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Culinary Code. Today I am sharing a delicious recipe of chicken chettinadu curry with otadai. You can have it as breakfast or dinner. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. For otadai, we need only two ingredients: rice flour and egg. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice flour, normal puttu flour and 2 medium sized eggs. With rice flour, add 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of salt and required amount of water. Combine everything together. Adding little more water. And keep it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, add little more water and make it into a fine batter. Here comes the hero of the recipe. This is the clay plate we need for making otadai. Make sure the consistency of the batter is as thick as idli batter. The odor should be extremely hot while pouring the batter. If the heat is not enough, the batter will stick onto the odor. So check well before cooking. If you are using the odor for the first time, you have to season it before cooking. For seasoning, soak the odor in rice water, that is kanchi thanni, for an entire day. The next day it will get ready for cooking. I am pouring it again. Oil is not needed at all. Keep the flame high throughout. Otadai is ready. A good combination with otadai is chicken or mutton curry. Here I am sharing a delicious chicken chettinadu curry. You can have it with otadai, roti, chapati, paratha and even ghee rice or any variety of rice. Let's get started with the recipe. For marination, we need half kg chicken, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons curd, two tablespoons red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, one teaspoon garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it really well. And keep it aside for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's make the masala. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it is hot, add a tablespoon of peppercorns, a cup of coconut, and stir it till it turns golden. Here I have taken desiccated coconut. You can also use normal coconut. Normal coconut takes little more time to cook. Once it's done, let it cool down. And grind it into a smooth paste. Now keep a vessel and add 3 tablespoons of oil, after it's heated, add 2 medium-sized onions, two tomatoes, and fry it well. Add salt, stir it in between. Allow it to cook. Add marinated chicken, along with a half cup of water. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add ground masala paste and required amount of water. And cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, add curry leaves and your chicken chettinadu is ready. Hope you like the recipes. Share it with your friends and relatives. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.